Lucky, how are you? Oh, you have nice dress, huh? I will give you that. The Queen of Pusa? The Lola Kagurang Andy? Ah, hello, Magic. You're so beautiful, Magic. May I see your eye? Look at that. You have nice dress also, Magic. Hello, Magic. Oh, what happened? You're already close friend? Huh? You're not fighting to each other, guys? Huh? Or is Yum Yum? Yum Yum, come here! Yum Yum! Yum Yum! You see the Yum Yum there? Where's Yum Yum? Yum Yum! Come here! You have a nice haircut now. Where's Yum Yum? Hello, Lucky. Magic. Magic. Oh, si King Ding. You're so beautiful also. Oh my God, King Ding. Oh, see? Look at that. Oh, they are kissing to each other. Oh my goodness. Oh, just God. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Mahirap mga kagurang kung maraming alaga kasi ang damit pa lang nila tsaka yung pagkain nila mga kagors, di ba? Talaga namang, sige, anisin mo yan. Hindi. Kaso lang, nakakawala sila ng stress, gawa ng, uy, Diyos ko, malaglag ka dyan. Thank you so much. You say hi? You say hi to my vlog. Okay, come here. Just, yes. Okay, bye.